Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva. So whether you are a beginner or a content creator, this method is quick and effective. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Over here, you can use the search bar and here you can search for YouTube thumbnails. Now, once you search for this query, you will be able to find bunch of different YouTube thumbnail templates that you can basically drag and drop and customize according to your own design. So from this given list, you can select any of the templates. Let's say I'm interested in this one, so you need to select that. Now click on the use this template option. Now this particular template is paid, so let's say I have selected this one because it is free. Now click on the customize template option and you will be landed on this page. Now over here you need to upload a still video or any photo or the background, and make sure that the image is clear and not too busy. It should grab the attention even at a small size. So you can hover over to the left hand section, click on upload and upload the image of yours, or you can even go to the element section and here you can search for any of the photos that you want to add in your thumbnail, just like this one, and you can just adjust it just like so. Here, if you want to add text in your thumbnail, simply go to the text section, click on the add a text box option, and then you will see this type of box in front of you. Over here you need to add the headlines. It should be under 5 words. Make it bold, readable font. You can use like Anton, League Spartan, etc. In order to improve your face here, you can use the background remover feature of Canva. This feature is for Canva Pro users. So once you are done by editing your thumbnail, simply click on the share option in the top right hand corner, click on the download option, and you can download the PNG format of that particular thumbnail. Now you can use the thumbnail in order to add it in your YouTube videos. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.